Gaelic uses verbs to answer yes or no. If you're asked, a bhfuil fluch, is it wet, you would answer ha or chanil. The past tense is va, vai fluch, it was wet. To ask the question, we use an roi fluch, was it wet? To answer yes, we use va, an roi fluch, va, yes. And to answer no, chara. In Gaelic, every verb has a positive form, like va, that we can use for yes, and a secondary form, like ra, that we can use for questions like an ra, and for the answer no.